Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel and cscguideofficial.com website. Today I will tell you about Chinese Government Scholarship ZJNU Normal University ZJNU. And I also tell you in this video how you get pre-admission letter from this university for MOFCOM scholarship. As MOFCOM scholarship has been announced, I will tell you, but you try to get accept pre-admission letter from this university if your major is in the list. So how you check your major? It's option. It's I already tell you that go to CSC website, CSC online website, and you can also check the video that how you find your major is in Chinese or English on our YouTube channel. Okay, now I will tell you how you get pre-admission letter in this video. Don't worry about this. And this is the only university that's you just fill CSC online application form, not to fill university online application portal. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies. Okay, in one of my previous video I says that there is no university in which you fill only CSC application form. You must fill university application form, but in this case you no need to, you never submit a university portal, online application portal of Zhejiang Normal University. How it's possible or not, I will tell you in this video. And because they not mention in their official advertisement for Chinese Government Scholarship that you must fill CSC university application portal or not, so they not mention about this. And other three to five types of scholarship which they issue for students, for the international students. If you want to apply for this for other scholarship, you can also apply the young government scholarship and these kind of things. But I cannot get any link from these scholarship. I only get the CSC online application link. Okay, now came to the point. Authority is Chinese Government Scholarship ZJNU Normal University ZJNU. Master and PhD students can apply. But for CSC scholarship, master and PhD student can apply, but other scholarship like Zhejiang normal government scholarships, bachelor students can also apply for this scholarship. Okay, now came to the point. Okay, now came to the point. This is fully funded scholarship for master and PhD, 3,000 for master and 3,500 for PhD student. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies. And what is the eligibility criteria? Limits for master 35, for PhD 40 years. No English IELTS certificate is required. First you fill CSC application form. You not need to fill university application portal. No application fee for CSC scholarship. There is no application fee. Okay, and if you want to contact with the university, you can mail them or call to them and ask about that. Either you fill the CSC university portal application form or not. But from my point of view, I search from many websites but not get any information about this. Okay, so I also send email to them but not get any response from them yet. So maybe they reply me on Monday. As I get this reply from as I get reply from this university, then I will share with you in my next video. So don't worry about this. Click here to how to fill CSC online application portal. Click here to how to fill university application form. But CSC for your CSC applicant, you don't need to fill university application portal. You just fill CSC online application. But in my point of view, how they notice that these students can apply in our university, when you fill CSC online application form and put the agency number of every university, then I think your data will be transferred to the university. And when the deadline has been over, then they will collect data of all the students which they submit the online CSC online application form and get information about you. So when they announce how many students can apply and which students they want to select. Okay, there is no online application portal and the required document list. You just fill CSC online application form, highest notarized copy, transcript, study plan, recommendation letters, passport copy, physical examination form, English proficiency certificate. IELTS is not mandatory. Click here. When you click here, you can go to the official advertisement. This is the official advertisement of this university for Chinese Government Scholarship 2020. Okay, you cannot get it from website, but one of my friends send me, and I will make a video on this, because student says that please make a video on various universities which they start CSC application. So that's why I make a video on this. So how you get pre-admission letter, I will tell you how you get very simple method for this university, but in every university has own process to get pre-admission letter. for this university, very simple. For you, they says that for supporting your scholarship applications, you are most welcome to apply for Zhejiang Normal University pre-admission letter. Last year I think I get a pre-admission letter from this university. In my point of view, because I got a 4 to 5 pre-admission letter last year. I don't know exact either this university included or not. I think I get pre-admission letter from this university because it's easy. How you get send all required documents to our email, means all these required documents which they mention on their website, send to their in this email address, and in subject type request in type that pre-admission request for pre-admission letter or these kind of things. Okay, or you can also send hard copy to copies in person to the international office. You can send documents to international office as well. But if you send your document to this email, you can get acceptance letter. Hopefully you got it. Okay, and now for CSC scholarship, this is for bilateral program, okay, for A category, and this is for B category, Chinese University program. And full-time master and PhD program graduating students from Chinese University in 2020 are not acceptable. Means those students who graduated in September or July, coming September or July, they will not, means they not whose students cannot complete their degree and studying in China right now, they cannot apply for this scholarship. Upload all the required documents and click the submit button. There is no option that how either you apply for on university portal or not, because I search it from many websites but not get any detail about this. And I also tell you the result or the announcement which they says last year on this announcement, they also don't mention that you must fill CSC online application form, university online application form or not, so they don't mention. So these are the required documents which I tell you, and this is the official ISO link. So click here, and I will tell you about other scholarship. I will give you the other scholarship overview. Maybe they announce other scholarship, but I not get any link. As I get link, I will share with you, because many 5 to 6 types of scholarship which they announce, okay, every year. So after clicking here, click on scholarship. Maybe you get this link from the official website, but I cannot get this link from this. Okay, and we click on Chinese Government Scholarship. Maybe they since we click on international students, first open 29 international students guide here. Click on Zhejiang Normal University International Student Scholarship Program. In this click here and download a PDF file. In this PDF file, all the scholarship will be announced. This file already been downloaded, so that's why it cannot be downloaded. So I will. So when you open this file, there is the list of scholarship which they announce every year. So first one is CSC bilateral program, CSC scholarship, Chinese University program, MPS scholarship, Confucius Institute program, ZJNU Confucius Institute scholarship. Confucius is for those students who already passed the HSK 4 or HSK 5 before the degree for they announce. They announce the scholarship. So if you have HSK 4, then your chances will be bright in this scholarship. Okay, Zhejiang Provisional Government Scholarship, Sister City Scholarship of Genhua Municipal People's Government, ZJNU Scholarship for outstanding international. So first I just tell you how either it's possible to submit your online CSC online university application portal or not. So I will tell you. Okay, so it's Firefox problems, okay, internet problems. So this is for CSC scholarship, okay, this Chinese University program. This is the scholarship which they announced last year, and the last year for deadline this university is 31st of April. Now this is the procedure how to apply for this scholarship online application form. Only last year they also mentioned that you just fill CSC online application form. They never mention on their website that you must fill CSC university application portal. This is they give you the demo that how you fill the CSC application form. If university application form need to fill necessary, so then they must mention on their website, on this file, on this option that you must fill university application portal, but they don't. I don't know why they only just fill online application form want to fill. So these are the documents which they required last year, and this year also same. Academic education program sponsored by Ministry of Commerce, PRC, MPS scholarship. You can see the application material must be following editions, and these are the required documents for this scholarship. Maybe they announced a scholarship this year, but I don't get any information about this, so that's why I cannot give you I cannot tell you how you apply for this scholarship, but I will give you the overview. So now came to the next point, ZJNU government scholarship. I will give you the overview and how you which documents required for this scholarship. This is for Confucius Institute and the ZJNU provisional scholarship. So how much they offer? 30,000 RMB per year, person per year. CSE A class scholarship, class A scholarship, university scholarship, government scholarship. Basic requirements apply. Okay. Application procedure. They says that you must fill online application form before 15th of July. This is the last year announcement. Okay, must fill the university application portal. Now this for this scholarship they announce, but if they necessary to file online application form, they also mention on CSC scholarship university program as well, but they don't. So pay that 400 yuan or $70 as a registration fee. Admission documents including JW20 form and other things. So these are the application documents you must fill. You can download physical examination form and notarize highest documents and these kind of things. All the things are same. So this is a sister scholarship, ZJNU principal government scholarship. A category A scholarship is for excellent students who receive college or above education program university with the standard of 20,000 yuan per year. So I think it's very good opportunity for those who are who's looking for other scholarship. If they very beautiful university, if they complete your CSE 3 application, so try to get acceptance letter. No, I will come to the CSC university online application portal. So either any option available on their website that's you must fill CSC application form or not, scholarship type. So I think this is the link. Copy this link if you but not copy. Okay, we will go to the back. We will go back and click on their official and click on their CSE, their online link, university portal link. Click here, and this is the university portal link of the university. Okay, and I'll sign in and tell you about that, how you fill the CSE, how you fill the university this application. So after clicking in and signing in, so I already signed in, and click on online application and select your application. So I already make an application. So I in this the form, the main purpose of this form, that how either they there is only have any option for the scholarship, CSC scholarship and another scholarship. So I will tell you just these things. I delete it because I already filled it. So click it and I delete it. Okay, and after deleting it, I click on home option, and again I select online. But you can see there is the option when you click here, bounce. I think the students with this short list send mail to them, and if the students who selects, click here, and when they select, then click here and type their your CSC serial number application here in this option, and if your name is in the list, then your name will be shown, otherwise it's not be shown here. So the speeds internet problems, so that's why it's not opening yet. Okay, so click here, so I refresh it, maybe internet problem here. Okay, when you click here, then pop-up will be shown and you select your nationality. okay, nationality, and date of birth, okay, and your CSC online application portal. So I already feel a CSC online application portal. So I open it. Okay, one thing, 1 minute. Okay, this is my CSC application form, and this one is the serial number of for your CSC application form. Every when you fill CSC application form, every applicant candidate can get your CSC serial number here. So click here your serial number. I will type serial number here and click on this option. They clearly mention that your serial number has not been, this number cannot be found, please try again. Means I think when they select this when they select student, then ask you to put your CSC number here and you will get your information. Okay, okay, I click on online application and I will show you that either CSC application form and other CSC application scholarship option are available on this website or not. So I click on master degree program, and after clicking on my master degree program, you can see here all programs. So internet speed a little bit slow, so that's why it's happened. Okay, no, as I as in programs has been shown, I click one of the program and other things, so don't worry about this. So speed a little bit, you can see here. So I select English languages and search it, because all the programs in not in English. So I click on any program, one of the I think College of Economics and Management, China, Africa International Business, so business school. So I click on this option. Okay, after clicking on this option here, you can see all these things. This is the basic information. Our main purpose is to to tell you that either CSC online application form or CSC application other things are available or not. So click here. You can see scholarship option here. These are the scholarship which they are for every year. Means they update the date on here. Please choose 2020 and your session will be ended on 2023 or 2020. So it depends on this. So it means all the scholarship, these are all the scholarship has been started, but I cannot get link from anywhere, so I will try to find out and tell you. ZJNU Provincial Government Scholarship Type A, ZJNU Provincial Government Scholarship Type B. Type B means partial scholarship or full scholarship. Type A full scholarship, Type B partial scholarship. And you if you want to apply on this, because you cannot fill the form, but either in the future in coming days you want to fill your application CDO scholarship or postgraduate student Type B, you can click here. Okay, for CSC scholarship. Okay, university scholarship Type A, university government scholarship Type B, MOFCOM scholarship also available, and these kind of things. Means they offer scholarship to the students, all types of scholarship. So you can get here. So just fill CSC form. Okay, you just fill your CSC application form and wait for the result. Maybe they select or not, but you try to contact with official website if you want. So hope so you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe our YouTube channel and cscguideofficial.com. come on our cscguideofficial.com website and get everything which you want. Requires document sample, CSC universities list, admissions, all universities, all the China universities we start their admission. Come here and get your information. Scholarship results, if you want to check how many in which university how many students select last year, you can check here. Other country scholarship also available. So come here and get everything which you want. So hope so you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe our YouTube channel and stay connected with us. Met you in the next video. Allah.